What's up everyone? We have a new unboxing for today, and I'm gonna unbox this new survival gadgets. So I think this is the multi-tool carabiner, and let's open this up now. Okay, and so sorry for that noisy dogs of our neighbor. So I'm so sorry for that. So this is the multi-tool carabiner. So outdoor multifunctional mountaineering buckle hang a clasped high hardness with portable folding knife. Is both a type D hang a clasp with keychain at the same time, screwdriver, bottle opener, and other functions. Very practical whether you are hiking, camping, or what is this? Expedition adventure. This product can provide you with the necessary help and pleasure. This product can match on the bags, belts, and portable. Take with convenient necessary money men with the outdoor multifunctional mountaineering buckle. Let's explore the secrets of nature. So there's a note. Please keep the product dry and avoid in damp places. Okay, and do not contact with hand blade to test it in sharp degrees. And please in the place out of reach children. So check. Whoa, 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 nice. This is a monster. This is such a monster carabiner on it. So nice, and there is also a Phillips screwdriver. Yes. Whoa. And this one, I don't know what is this, but I think okay. This is the flat screwdriver. This is the flat screwdriver. Look at that. Wow. This is monster. This is the monster. And this is the knife itself. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow. Very nice. Love this kind of knife. So let's try to okay, sorry for that. So let's try to knife it up so you can see that. Yes, so sharp. I love it. Very nice. I love this. So in order to fold it, so you just have to press it and then like that. So and you can use the carabiner on it like this one and this one right there. So this is amazing, and here it is. This is the, I think this is the what is it called? Well, this is the open the wine. Says open. Yes, wine opener or the okay. There is the Phillips screwdriver, lock, open the wine, the buckle, tooth blade, open the blade, and a knife. So I think the D buckle is in here. Here is the D buckle. So that right here, the D buckle of the knife right there. So if you want to fold it in like this one, yes, and yes, very good, nice. I love this kind of carabiner. It's so lightweight. So I'm gonna weigh it. So I just want to know how much is the weight of this. Okay, and so let's gonna weigh this, how much. Okay, so let's start it now. Okay, and let's see. Yes, it's only 76 grams of weight, and I think this is good enough to have this kind of an EDC gear, survival gear, and this is nice. And let's see if we let's what is this called. So let's try to weigh again if we open this up. So okay, let's check. Yes, it's still 76 grams of the weight of this carabiner, this monster carabiner. So love this, I love this kind of carabiner. This is such a monster. So this one, if you want to open it, so just open it like this, and like this, and good to go, like good to go. So love this, love this kind of carabiner. So you can use it multi-tool, so you can use it, you can use it as a multi-tool for your survival gear, or survival gear, or in an EDC. So I will put down the link in the description box below where I bought this. This is so nice, this is so good. So there's a knife, and there's also a mini saw over here. There's a mini saw, and there's a flat screwdriver. There's a flat screwdriver, and also there's a Phillips screwdriver on it, and it is the open of the carabiner. And also there's the can opener here, or a bottle opener, or wine opener. So this is great, this is good, and so love it. So this is awesome. So if you want this kind of, if you want this kind of carabiner, this monster carabiner, so you can buy this on Shopee, and I think in also in Lazada. So I bought this on Lazada a while ago, and then yes, this is great, this is good, this is good for what is this called. So this is good for multi-tool. So you can use this knife also for cutting, and this one, like, so this is great and good. So and I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming EDC videos here in my channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and have a good day everyone. Thanks you, and please subscribe. Okay. Okay, this is just only my EDC channel. So this is my this is the Burmer product reviews, and I hope you enjoy watching. Okay, and see you soon on my next video.